Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jerry here, and I have some 2019 Topps Archives baseball. These have a lot of older designs from 70s, and I saw some 90s, some different stuff. These were just released, I think, last week, and I got a couple packs. You can pick up these value packs for about $5 or $6 a piece. I think they have, I don't know, 16 cards, or no, these actually have 18 cards, and guarantees one Topps magazine card per pack. So let's get started. Haven't opened these yet, so kind of looking forward to this. Alright, first card we have a Rowdy Tellez rookie card. Randy Johnson. Very cool with his Expos uni. Let's take a look at the back, guys. Very cool. 6'10". Okay, Ted Williams. Red. St. Louis Cardinals, Trevor Bauer. Alright, 1975 style, Richie Ashburn. Paul Goldschmidt. Let's take a look at the back of those. So this is what it would have looked like in 75. So the George Brett rookie card in 75 would look just like that on the back. Andrew Benintendi. George Springer. Jesse Winkler. Zach Greinke, former Royal. And there's the Topps magazine. Ronald Acuna Jr. Let's take a look at that. Jim Bunning. And here's the 1993 Topps. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Jake Lamb, Monty Irvin, Ernie Banks, and Ozzie Smith. Let's take a look at the back. Of course, this is a year the Derek Jeter rookie card. Very cool cards. I collected a lot of these as a kid. Alright, so that was our first pack. And let's take a look at our second one here. I know some of you guys like to look at the odds. Let's take a look here. So it looks like the same thing in every pack. They start with the 50s, and they kind of go up to the early 90s Topps. Jorge Posada, Kevin Kramer, rookie, Mookie Betts, Freddie Freeman. Let's look at the back of these again. Very cool. Justin Smoke, Will Myers. Alright, and on to the 70s, we got Josh Donaldson, Walker Buehler, Manny Margot, Nick Senzel, rookie. I really like that card a lot. Blake Snell. Jeter joins the 3,000 hit club. Shohei Ohtani. Alright, on to the 1993s. Ralph Kiner. Tris Speaker. Very cool. Don Mattingly. In my opinion, he's probably worthy of Hall of Fame. I think eventually he'll get in, but this wasn't a first ballot guy. Career batting average over 300. His peak of his career, I mean, you see the awesome numbers there. He had 145 RBIs. hit over 100 RBIs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Very good player. His rookie card PSA 10 still has a lot of value. Okay, Bryce Wilson, Braves rookie. And last one is a Justice Sheffield rookie. Alright guys, so that is the Baseball Topps Archives 2019, just came out. Let me know what you guys think about these. And if you like them, if you don't like them, just whatever you guys think. I personally, I mean, they're not my favorite. But I do like having rookie cards that are, different. I like to collect a lot of the rookies and just have them, different cards on them. So it's not too bad. I really like that Nick Senzel. It's a good rookie card. But yeah, just let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Again, guys, thanks for stopping by and take it easy.